Good morning to all you friends. I hope you had a good weekend. Uh, Last Friday we were mentioning that we need to see if we have a corrective wave, and basis that 600, 500, 16,500 possible needs to be ascertained. And some stocks we did not go in much because being a Friday, we felt market might be slightly range bound, which was at the opening itself. We had 39,700, which moved to 450 levels, and we booked because we felt the market may reverse. And actually, it happened the same. Uh, we also went for Nifty futures buying 17 950 and future Bank Nifty futures buy, and we were able to gain some 20 30 odd points. Post that, our 39,700 put again was active and gave us some profits. What we can see is, as mentioned, uh, the market needs to test uh, possibly 16,800 to uh, 16,500 also. But we need to understand market does not just cannot go straight down, because if there is selling happening, who's buying? There has to be some buyer also. So it will instead go a little retrace back and then come down, retrace back like this and come down. Eventually, the market can move to the levels which is expecting. So this, what we are mentioning is the Elliott waves. Uh, as per the Elliott waves, we are expecting it to move towards 16,500, and post that possibly we may expect some recoveries also. But so doesn't mean market is weak. I mean, of course, uh, fundamentally, because RBI are increasing the repo rates according uh, to how the Fed is also increasing. Fed has increased 25 basis point. So accordingly, market will, sentiments is weak. What we have also shared today is 17,000 call. Once this moves above 128, we're looking at targets of 155, 190 plus also. And if price move 16,900 moves from below and moves above 110, then we are expecting targets of 130, 170 plus. Accordingly, also we am sharing the levels for Bank Nifty 3,900. If it moves from below and crosses 518, then we can expect targets of 600 plus. 39,500 put, where if moves below 3 from below it crosses 425, then targets of 500 plus can be seen. So now we need to see which side the market goes. There is a chance that market can retrace back. If you see right now, the SGX, it has slowly recovered, uh, almost recovered, I think, 100 points plus. But what I can see is it is forming, uh, there is, it has formed a kind of a pennant, and opening can be flat to positive, or we need to see how it will open. Uh, But for me, important levels of Bank Nifty to be very bullish is about 39,800 plus. Then we can expect targets of 40,000, uh, 200, or even slightly above. Uh, However, it again, as I keep mentioning in my earlier videos, it depends on the pattern it creates, not just the levels. If it is like this, then it'll keep trading like a channel. But however, if there is a slight formation of a pennant, then I can expect it to again move down also. So we'll see how market will react today. Uh, I have Asian Paints. I'm looking to go on the long side 2800. If this moves about 32, then targets of 40, 50 can be seen. Uh, at this bank also, I'm looking to go for a long position. It may retrace back to 1610 levels, uh, or it may even cover this gap here and move up to 1660 levels also. However, before that, we need to see if it breaks this uh, ascending triangle, or even it looks slightly like a inverted flag and moves down also. But then there should be a strong support at 1520 levels. So we'll see how it market reacts. Market is the ultimate decider. Alchem Labs also I am looking to possibly uh, go long. Uh, if you can take a slight risk, I think if this moves, if it breaks out maybe today, tomorrow, and then start moving up, then 3,300 levels could be seen. Adani Green is really, going very well. We can look to buy this at current levels for targets of 1,400 plus. Uh, Bharat Wire is again in my radar. Previously, also we had bought. It has consolidated, formed a double bottom, and started going up. And we would love to, if it slightly, I think what I can say is if it slightly retraces like this, forms this type of a pattern, then I would tend to look to buy above 125 targets of even if it moves from here like this, I'm planning to buy this to, I would look for people to add this for targets of 140, 150 plus. SBI Life, I have 1,100 put. If this moves about 10, then look at targets of 12 to 14. Keep trailing your stop losses always. ABB, if it breaks this trend line, then we will look to short. TCS also is looking weak. There is, I mentioned, I think targets of 3,000, which is slightly almost done. I had mentioned if it doesn't move above this level 3253, then there is a fall expected. Uh, Mindtree LTIM, which is now after the takeover, 4,600 put above 70 looks to targets of 90 plus. SBI card 720 put can be seen to look to good to add for targets of 14, 15 if it moves from below 11. Kotak Mahindra Bank, if this trend line is broken, then I think 1,700 put. If it moves about 20, then you can look at targets of 30 plus. Crompton Greaves also is on the weaker side, may tend to take support here. Uh, uh, However, if you look at the different time frames, I get a feeling that there might be again shorts coming once it retraces back to 298 plus. Let us see how it reacts. We can think of shorting this again. These are not just based on charts. We need to look at. We are seeing to a large extent the option chain data has been checked before and then shared, and also, a lot of people talk about support resistance. I would just like to tell you all that's a old way of trading. Look at modern, where you look at algo trades, big players trading. Here, if you see option chain 17,000, there is call writers and put writers. So, if the market moves somewhere at 17, uh, 50 plus, then this writers put sorry this put this call writers will have to exit, and they will probably start building their towards the put side, or maybe they should exit and start adding into 1700 or 17150. So we will watch this for clues for today and trade accordingly. And 39,500 Bank Nifty seems to have really good support. So looks like market can Bank Nifty can pull HDFC Bank, and Bank Nifty can pull market up today. Uh, but I think this is a monthly expiry. While rolling over positions, the FIs seem to have a lot of future shorts. So if they once they start covering their positions, also they can start the prices can start moving. So let's see this monthly expiry how it is going to be. It is going to be definitely very volatile. Just be cautious. Trade with smaller positions, especially stocks. Trail stop losses. Do not hold for long. Good luck. God bless you all. Thank you all for joining. Please do uh, like. You have like buttons. If you like the views, do like, share, and subscribe. And